Hello everyone. Now this is a real case study for one user from Italy. And we can see the pension drive is ST4000LM024 and family is M11. We have unlocked this firmware and from the COM terminal, we found out the engine is these 0 entries. From the user's report, we learned that the pension drive suffered head failure and the user swapped the head and regenerated the translator, but finally he got this partial sector access issue. So that means the front sectors are accessed, but the ending part of the sectors are not accessible. So now we have viewed this enginist. The enginist has 0 entries written. But from the backup, we have loaded the original engine list here. Okay, this is original engine list. And we find out there are 4 entries. So that means the current engine list is not as original one. So the entries returned are different. So at this time, we need to write this engine list of original one to the pension drive, and we can see from Smog Win write success, and we can view the engine is done to make sure the write is successful. So before the writing the original entry, we can see 0 entries here. Now write successfully the original as well as certifying, so we can see there are 4 entries returned. So now we need to try to clear the genist and then generate the translator again. Sure, the original entries of the engine list are made use of, because it's very important to have the right entries returned from the engine list to make sure the translator is working properly. Now let's wait and see. Okay, now we can see the translator regeneration completed. So let's view the engine list again. So we can know the engine list entries was kept same as the original one. So 4 entries returned. At this time, we can try to view the ending part of sectors to see if the partial sectors issue is 40B LM024 has been allowed. We can try 77 and the same names, okay, as the max LBA of this pension drive. Now let's try to so we can see now 0 is fully accessed. And at this time, we can go to the DFL DDP recovery software, okay, to check the lost partitions, folders, and files. So here we can see the lost partition root folder, and then we just wait until the lost folders are listed, so users can select these folders and files to recover